Learn to ride an electric unicycle. This practice has one step based on standing still on the wheel, and two other gradual steps. Most people can't balance on an electric unicycle when trying for the first time. The approach explained here intends to improve your balance in 3 intermediate steps relatively easy to master. It is suggested to practice 30 minutes per day during 5 days, but you can choose a pace and duration that fits your own skills. We will cover these 3 steps in detail in a few seconds. Step 1. The key principle of this step is to stand still on the unicycle, and it consists in trying to keep your balance on the wheel. The left foot is placed on the pedal and the leg is firmly pressed against the body of the wheel. Then, the right foot is quickly placed on the right pedal and it is put back to the ground. You can do the same exercise with the left leg. The goal is to gradually keep your balance longer and longer, several seconds, with both feet on the pedals without trying to ride forward. Step 2. Stand on the wheel as you were riding a scooter. You can try to move forward slowly like you would do on a scooter. The left foot is on the pedal and the right foot is on the ground, pushing off the ground to propel you forward. Practice at a slow pace, 1 meter at a time at the beginning. Step 3. After a good practice of Step 1 and Step 2, riding your unicycle like a scooter, you can have a try in placing your free foot on the pedal. Just 1 second to begin with. Suggestion: practice the first step until it is easy to keep your balance. Next, practice the second step in scooter mode until you get confident, allowing you in Step 3 to place your free foot on the pedal. Once those 3 steps are mastered, it will be much easier to ride forward with 2 feet on the pedals. It is good to practice the 2 first steps again and again until you build up the necessary confidence to ride properly on a wheel. Goodbye and have a good trip.